Luma AI Ray 3 tutorial and review. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can get started with Luma AI's Ray 3. Now, what exactly is Ray 3 and is it comparable to all the other amazing video models out there? Well, Luma AI does things really beautifully when it comes to video creation. Ray 3 is an intelligent video model that can help you in telling stories. Its standout features include their 16-bit high dynamic range color, bringing generative video to Pro Studio pipelines. They also have a draft mode that enables you to explore many more ideas much faster and tell better stories than ever before, and you can upscale your drafts later on. So let's jump right in and take a look at the different features of Luma AI's Ray 3. Ray 3 has fidelity, physics, adherence, HDR, reasoning, draft mode, annotation, pseudo-physics and control, hi-fi, and all of these features are going to play a part in building the best video possible. So to get started, simply head on over to lumalabs.ai/ray. Once you do that, you can click on Try Now on the top right, or you can click on Dream Machine. Dream Machine is their space for you to get started with your creative outlet, and you're going to sign up by your email address like I have over here. Now I'm going to go back into my boards and I'll show you guys some of the things I've created using Ray 3. So this was a video of a bride walking down the aisle in a beautiful white fitted gown, and this was the video that it created in draft mode. Then if I scroll up, this is another version of this particular video I created. Instead of an aisle, I asked it to make it look like a garden. And all of these videos are created using Ray 3. One really important thing that you're going to note about Ray 3 is that not only does it create the video, but it also understands the meaning behind it. It took my initial prompt and then it expanded on it. So it captured the bride's elegant presence at the garden aisle start and smoothly transition her graceful walk forward, emphasizing light, gentle motion to bring the scene to life. So you guys can see that it's very interpretive. I have some other examples I can show you guys, like I combined these two pictures to create this video. And then we have this video of a man running in a grocery store. And then we have this video of a man running in a grocery store, and you guys can see these are older models, so they have slightly more glitches. Then if we take a look at some of the cosmic bubble animations, again, we have quite a few different examples in this, and you can even explore other people's creations under ideas, and you can go into the editor for further editing. Another really important thing to note whenever you create using Ray 3 is that when you click on the video, you have the ability to modify, extend the video, view more like this, reframe, and hi-fi and add audio. So this gives you the ability to upscale any video that you're creating. To get started, simply click on the plus icon and then you're going to select Ray 3 from the bottom over here. You have different versions of your legacy models and we are going to select Ray 3. Then you can proceed with if you want to use keyframe, references, or modify. Then you're going to go into the photo icon if you want to upload a reference image, and then just proceed with your prompt. Beside your prompt box on the bottom, you have suggestions, and within your suggestions, you have suggestions for camera angles, styles, lightings, shot, and you can select whatever you want. I want this to be a full body shot, and I want this to be at a ground level. I want this to be photorealistic, and the lighting should be golden hour. Now I want this to be a couple walking in a park, and just like so I can proceed. Now whenever you have turned on draft mode, this is going to take slightly longer. It's not going to be as quick. It's not going to give you the results within a minute. It does take longer when you're using Ray 3, and it is for a good reason. Ray 3 is a very advanced model that provides you with features that you're not going to find anywhere else. So it's currently starting to dream and create my video, but it's not going to be very quick. It took like a few minutes for it to get to this part, and then after that it's going to proceed and create our video. I can see the first frame of my video. It looks very pretty. And you guys can see I did not add a lot of detail into the way that I wanted the couple to look or the details of the garden or the park, whatever it might be, but it still was able to create a very photorealistic video. Just by looking at this keyframe, I can tell very photorealistic video, looking at the shadows, the way everything is falling, because it is able to interpret your prompt accurately. And this is what a lot of other video generators mistake in, where the understanding of your prompt becomes very skewed and the overall result that you're going to be getting are going to become very skewed. So that is why having a tool like Ray 3 is super useful. You have really nice understanding and comprehension of your prompts, which can in turn help you in creating the best possible content. So right now I'm just waiting. And you guys can explore Ray 3 completely for free, but if you do want to have faster video generation, it is recommended to upgrade your plan. So if you want to upgrade, you have two options. You can save 20% with yearly billing, or you can opt for monthly billing. They have a Lite, Plus, and Unlimited plan. Within the Lite plan, you have 3,200 monthly credits, full Ray 3 access, 4K with up resolution, high priority processing, and non-commercial use. On the Plus, you have 10,000 monthly credits for $30 with full Ray 3 access and commercial use is allowed with no watermark. Then the Unlimited has commercial use, 10,000 monthly credits, unlimited use in relaxed mode. So you can basically create as much content as you want in the free version of Ray 3. And this is the relaxed version. And if you want to speed it up, then you can use your credits. I do definitely think that this is a great plan, but I don't think you need to upgrade to the Lite. If you're going to upgrade, you should directly upgrade to the Plus because it gives you commercial use, which is a major part of this type of content creation, especially if you're going to be using it commercially, or even if you're not planning on using it commercially, having watermarks can be a hindrance for a lot of people. So for that reason, I do recommend opting for the commercial version. Now currently it's still dreaming up our video, and when it has completely dreamt up our video, we can click on the top right heart icon to favorite this. We can share this by clicking on the share icon and download by clicking on this icon here. Then you also have the ability to delete any of the videos it creates, modify, extend, and all your other basic editing options. And if you go into the Luma Labs dashboard, you're able to use your own content as inspiration as well and reference and modify your own pre-existing videos. You will see a compact and a relaxed view of all of your content. You can filter this out by videos, images, or favorites and edits, which can help you in finding your perfect content and filtering between your content, even if you've created a lot of content using Ray 3. Now, if you're excited to get started with Dream Machines with Luma Labs Ray 3 Dream Machine, then definitely do head on over into dreammachine.lumalabs.ai. One really important thing to note is that when you go into their direct website, you will see that it has several different use cases, whether you're doing this to build images or videos, where a lot of people do think its strength only lies in creating videos. It is able to create some amazing product photography as well, which can help you in your professional journey. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you guys did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.